Hi, friend. Welcome back to my channel. So happy you're here. If you're new, my name is Angeline, and I am your friendly, independent Avon Independent Ambassador. On this channel, I love to share beauty tips, product reviews, and advice to help you grow your Avon business successfully. Today, we're diving into an important topic that really does not get enough attention. It is sales tax. I know. It is not the most exciting part of running our business, but understanding it is crucial to protect your earnings and keep your business profitable. So, I'm going to show you towards the end of this video how step by step how to actually add um, this sales tax to your invoices one time and that you'll never have to do it again. So stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it. So why does sales tax matter? Here's the deal. When you place your order with Avon, they add sales tax based on the sales tax for your state. And this is not a random fee. It is required by law. It is important to remember that um, this sales tax is not meant to come out of your pocket, really. It is because that's the same thing that happens in any business. So they order stuff from, wherever they order it from, any other business, and they are charged a tax. Tax is then the end consumer has to pay the tax when we go to the store, the supermarket, wherever we go to. And it's the same thing with us. Avon charges us tax, and the required thing is that we pass this on to our customers. Quite legal to do so. Now, what happens if you don't charge your customers this tax? Sadly, it eats into our commission, because it means that you are eating the tax. Now, I know that sometimes when we do events, we say we ax the tax, we don't pass the tax on to the consumer there and then at events, flea markets, whatnot, because it's in the moment sale and we decide that, we may not be able to, it's cumbersome to do it on the go. What we would probably do is, round off a figure here or there and so on. But it's when it comes to regular orders that customers are placed with us, then the tax is added. When they order from our online store, they are charged a tax as well, depending on the state that they're in. I think there may be some states that don't charge sales tax, but hey, most of them do. And we don't want to end up with our earnings being less because we are not doing what is lawful and legal. So let's talk about how we handle, you know, effectively and confidently dealing with this with our customers. But first of all, I'm going to break down for you how to calculate the sales tax. And then I will share the tips about how to communicate with your customers. And I'm going to show you the tool that is embedded in the Avon system that allows us to do that. We want to first of all check the tax rate for our state. All right, whichever state you're in, the sales tax, it may differ, it may be the same as another one, but we want to check that. It's simple to do. Google what's the sales tax in XYZ state. So if Avon charges you 6% and it is shown on Avon invoices what the sales tax rate is, then you pass that sales tax rate to the total purchases from your customers. You want to include the sales tax in, your pricing. When you calculate, or even just when you're talking to your customers, you want to be um, talking and including the sales tax in any communication that you have with your customer. Avon has this brilliant tool that if you're not using the Avon invoicing tool, then you might be losing out. I did do a video showing how to set up the invoicing tool that really and truly, it is just amazing. I will add that video to the description of this video. I am going to share my screen with you now and show you how to add the sales tax to your Avon orders. It is really very simple how to do that. Really, it is one of those things that are done by Avon that is really, it really makes, it's a game changer, really and truly. It really does show you how um to add this without being cumbersome and burdensome. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen with you, which shows my Avon account. You go to Manage Business, and under Web Office, I'm using a computer. It's equally simple with using your phone. Under Web Office, you go to Customer Invoicing. And then you are going to go to you are going to go to, I'm sorry, not customer invoicing, is invoice personalization. So it's invoice personalization. And then you go to see, it says invoice, customer invoice setting, and then you go my contact information where you see your contact information. These are shown on your invoices. And then you go to customize invoice. And here you see on the right-hand side, sales tax. Enter the sales tax rate from your current invoice. Example, 7%. As it so happens, for sales tax for New Jersey is 7%. You put whatever percentage is, and then you save it, and voila, it is done. It now is included, calculated. Your tax rate is calculated then on every single invoice that you generate for your customers. It's as simple as that. On the left side, you will see service charge. That's another day for another invoice, because another video, because I don't want to make this one too long. But that is how simple it is to add the sales tax to your invoices for your customers. One time and done. And unless the sale tax in your state changes, you don't have to change it again, because you are doing that, adding it to every single invoice that you generate for your customers. And you need to be using this invoicing tool to calculate your customers' orders each time. So that was really very simple. Now, in terms of communicating with your customers, these are three simple rules. Be upfront and be clear. when you're providing your customers with their total, simply say your total, including tax, is, be very upfront. Most people are used to paying sales tax anyway, so this shouldn't be a surprise for them. And then secondly, you want to show professionalism. You want to include sales tax in your pricing. It shows that you are running an Avon business like the professional that you are, like a pro. And it demonstrates that you are organized and transparent. And finally, you really want to build it into your pitch. So for example, if someone asks you for the price of a product, you can say this lipstick is for $12 plus tax. Later, when we talk about service charge, you're going to say plus tax and service charge professionally, brightly, confidently, to your customer, and it sets the expectation right away. Yeah, we know that there are people that will ask, do I really have to pay tax? Oh, but this is only Avon. Why do I have to pay tax? Smile your sweetest, charming, brilliant smile and say, yeah, it's a part of running a business. I understand, but it's a part of running a business, and you owe them no further explanation. Remember, you're running a business, and part of running a business means that you are covering all your costs, including the sales tax. By passing on this tax to your customers, you're not only staying compliant, but also ensuring that your commission stays intact, that you can see your money, that you can see your earning, right? And that's what allows you to keep doing what you do and keep loving what you love to do and growing your Avon business, because it is a business and we want to be adding our sales tax every single time. Of course, you can do somebody a favor and say, so if someone orders a huge amount of stuff from you, then you can see, and you know that there are items in there that you might have gotten for free or you might have gotten at a discounted, deeper discounted. Of course, you can say to the customer, I'm going to do you this favor and I'm going to ask the tax for you this time. But we do that as a favor, but on daily, as we go on, we need to be adding sales tax. So that's it for this one, my friend. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up for me. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so for more tips and advice. If you have any questions about sales tax or anything else Avon related, drop me a comment below. I'd love to help. Until next time, my friend, stay confident, stay organized, and keep building your beautiful Avon business, because we are the best of who we are. See you on the next one. God bless you.